This program was brought to you by Globe Telecom and iFern in partnership with New World Resorts and All TV.
Please welcome our hosts for the 7th Eddies, Gabby Garcia, Jake Ejercito, and Janine Gutierrez.
Magandang gabi po. Let's give another round of applause for Mr. Jed Madela. Good evening, everyone. Ako po si Janine Gutierrez, and it's such a pleasure to be hosting tonight's very prestigious event where we celebrate the visionaries, the storytellers, the dreamers, and the extraordinary people who bring stories to life on the big screen.
Magandang gabi, Eddies. Ako po si Jake Ejercito, and I am happy and excited to share the stage with these two very lovely and
Oh, thank you
gorgeous
naman.
co-hosts of mine here at the spectacular Marriott Grand Ballroom of the Newport World Resorts. And most importantly, I'm honored to be part of this event that celebrates the icons and the movers in the industry.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako naman po si Gabby Garcia, and I'll be one of your hosts for tonight's Eddies. Hindi lang talento ang ating bibigyang parangal this evening is also dedicated to those who have pushed the boundaries and made a difference with their generous hearts and unforgettable contributions to our community.
That's right. And so without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to
The Seventh Entertainment Editor's Choice. Bilang pasimula ng ating programa, bigyan natin ng pagkilala ang mga miyembro ng SPEED na kasama natin ngayong gabi. Let's all welcome
the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors.
And now you know what, Janine? We have a surprise. Because Speed has planned something special for you today. For this moment, we would like to call on Mr. Eugene Assis from People's Journal and the previous president of Speed to present to you personally your Best Actress Award for your performance in Bakit Di Mo Sabihin from last year's Eddie's Choice. Congratulations!
Janine, congratulations! You may now take the floor and tell your acceptance speech for tonight.
Oh my gosh. Good evening po and thank you so much. I am so honored na talagang kahit hindi po ako nakarating last year, binigyan niyo po ako ng panahon to accept this in front of you. So I am so happy I get to thank you personally. Maraming salamat po sa suporta niyo sa aming mga artista at sa industriya. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala din naman po talagang mangyayari sa aming mga artista at grabe pong pagpapasalamat namin sa inyo at sa lahat ng suporta niyo. And thank you sa bumubuo po ng pelikula namin na Bakit Di Mo Sabihin of Cinemalaya last year, Direk Real. And since Direk Gina is here, Direk, I'll thank you na rin kasi ikaw po una talagang nagturo sa akin kung paano umarte. So happy to be with all of you tonight. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po sa Eddies. Thank you.
Thank you, Janine.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you once again to Speed. Let's please give them another round of applause.
And now, we give the floor to this remarkable woman spearheading tonight's event.
And that's none other than the president of the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors,
Miss Salve Assis.
Thank you so much, everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, sa mga producer, directors, writers, artists, at lahat ng ating mga kasamahan sa industriya. It is my honor to present to you and welcome you all to the 7th Eddies Awards. The Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors, or SPEED, initially began as a social club for entertainment editors of national broadsheets, top tabloids, and leading online portals. And for so many years, now we are at the forefront of recognizing the invaluable contribution of Filipino filmmakers in preserving the culture through masterful visual storytelling. Ang entertainment industry ay maaaring dumanas ng mabigat na hamon sa nakaraang taon. Ngunit nandito tayo, gumagalaw, and breathing life to an industry that will forever be part of our core as Filipinos. And that is a feat worth celebrating. Bukod sa taon ng Entertainment Editor's Choice, ang SPEED ay may tradisyon mula sa pagbuo nito at yun ay ang tumulong sa komunidad na kailangan ng pangangalaga at pansin. This is our commitment to give back to the community we serve. Dahil naniniwala kami na ang komunidad na ito ay nasa puso nating lahat. Please watch this. Sa pamamagitan nito, may we all be inspired to put our audiences into everything we do. Once again, welcome to the 7th Eddies.
Thank you, Ms. Salve, for that inspiring and thoughtful speech.
The Eddies itself is a symbol of excellence in the entertainment community. To encapsulate such prestige, it can only result into a work of art.
Here is the evolution of the Eddies Trophy from then until now.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to the stage the creator of this year's Eddies Trophy, our very own Mr. Leandro Baldemor.
Once again, a round of applause for the 7th Eddies Choice Trophy creator,
Mr. Leandro Baldemor.
Thank you, sir. Now, before we continue, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Chan Robles and Company, the Eddies official editor.
At eto na, to officially begin the night, here is OPM icon Miss Imelda Papin together with Jerry Olea of PEP to present the first set of awards.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A philosopher once said, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." Lahat ng mga nagtatagumpay, may lakas ng loob para magsimula.
Action Director ng PCSO, alam mo ba, ngayong gabi, pinararangalan ng Edis ang isang tao na naging matapang sumubok sa karera ng pelikula, kung saan ang kanyang sipag at determinasyon ay nagbunga ng matagumpay na produksyon.
Isa na dito ang pelikulang Malyari. Mula sa Metro Manila Film Festival nitong nakaraang taon, it's an honor to present the Rising Producer Circle Award to Mr. Brian D. of Mentor Productions.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I am deeply honored and humbled to stand before you tonight as the recipient of the Rising Film Producer of the Year. This recognition means so much to me, and I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has supported and believed in me along this incredible journey. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors for this prestigious award. Your recognition inspires me to continue pushing the boundaries of creativity and storytelling in the Filipino film industry. To my family, friends, to Piolo Pascual for saying yes to Malyari, and sa mga boss ko na siya ring aking mga mentors. Thank you for your unwavering support and encouragement. Your belief in me has been a constant source of strength and motivation. To the talented teams I have had the privilege to work with, Nay Omar, Derek, Enrico Santos, Sir Rico Gonzalez of Warner Brothers, I am excited for the future and the projects that lie ahead. Let's continue to tell our stories, celebrate our culture, and inspire the world with the beauty and richness of Philippine cinema. Thank you once again, Speed, for this incredible honor. I am truly grateful and inspired to do more, be more, and give back to the industry that has opened my eyes to its immense power to unite all of us so that we can be proud of who we are. Mabuhay ang Eddies, mabuhay ang Speed, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
To present the Manny Pichel Awards, please welcome the Director for Public Relations and Communications Strategy of Globe Telecom, Liza Reyes and Nikki Wang from the Manila Standard.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to be here. This special award is inspired by the spirit of generosity embodied by the great entertainment editor Manny Pichel. He's remembered as a veteran journalist who led by example in shaping a more inclusive, equitable, and compassionate world.
In continuing his legacy, we give this award to honor the contributions of our awardee, who reminds us that entertainment industry is not just a medium of entertainment, but a powerful force for good.
That's right. We proudly present the Manny Pichel Award to Mr. Ronald Constantino.
Unfortunately, Mr. Constantino couldn't be here with us tonight, so we are honored to accept the award on his behalf. And please allow me to read a short message from Mr. Constantino. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors, led by President Salvi Asis, for this award named after Manny Pichel, who was a good friend. Thank you, Eddies, and more power to Speed. Thank you.
To present the Isa V. Red Award, please welcome Best Actor nominee, Cedric Juan and G. Trilliana.
Our next special award is in commemoration of Speed's founding president, Isa V. Red. He was known for his love of God, country, and community, a love that had a lasting impact in the lives of many.
This recognition is given to these two individuals who extended their roles in the entertainment industry through their advocacies and humanitarian efforts.
It's an honor. It's an honor to present the Isaiah V. Red Award to our first awardee, Mayor Joy Belmonte. And to accept the award on her behalf, here with us is former Quezon City Mayor Sonny Belmonte.
It is my pleasure to receive this award. I would like to thank the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors and the 7th Entertainment Editors' Choice, or EDIS, for this recognition. She is truly humbled by this award, a testament to the quality of work that the city government is doing. Like the advocacy of the late Isa Red, we also try to enrich the lives of Quezon City citizens through various accessible, ethical, and equitable programs and services. This includes our continued support to the media industry. As you very well know, our family remains a part of this industry. It is a pride and honor for us to toil with you, writing articles and beating deadlines for every day. I share this recognition to everyone in the Quezon City government and to the people of Quezon City. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat. Mayor Joy Belmonte.
Maraming salamat po, former House Speaker Sonny Belmonte, and congratulations to your daughter, Mayor Joy. Our next awardee is a widely known advocate for the entertainment industry. It's a great honor to present the Isa V. Red Award to former Governor Chavit Singson.
It is an honor na mapasama ko sa mga tunay na awardees. And rest assured that this will encourage me to help more the movie industry and the people of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
To present the Joe Quirino Lifetime Achievement Award, please welcome Dina Ventura and OWA Administrator Arnel Ignacio.
It is our privilege to present the Joe Quirino Lifetime Achievement Award, a recognition reserved for those who have dedicated their lives to their craft, continually pushing the boundaries of creativity and inspiring generations to come. Our awardee is one of the most respected journalists in the country, a trusted name by Filipinos worldwide.
Her standards in the broadcasting industry is legendary, a testament of our dedication that the Filipino people deserve only the best. Please join us in applauding and welcoming to the stage the recipient of this year's Joe Quirino Lifetime Achievement Award, the incomparable Miss Corina Sanchez.
Wow, Joe Quirino. I'm a big fan of Joe Quirino. Take it away. Kami lang ang nakakaintindi nun, right? Direct Gina. Tayo lang nakakaalala. But what an honor it is, no? Di ba? Well, earlier, tinatanong po ako kung anong pakiramdam ng isang tumatanggap ng Lifetime Achievement Award. And the very first thing that came to my mind was old. Old. Parang pumapangalawa lang yung malaking karangalan. But truly, I have been a broadcast journalist for more than 30 years. So wag na po kayo maglabas ng inyong mga calculator. Ako po'y 10 years old lang nung ako'y nagsimula. Parang si Manong Chavit, naging gobernador nung siya'y paslit pa lamang. So, parang yun na akong pinagpapahingaan, no? But let me tell you, awards like this are really an honor. And it really fuels the likes of me to work even harder because pangako ko po sa inyo, marami po pong mga kwentong kailangang ibahagi, mga taong kailangan tulungan, at mga katotohanan na kailangan talagang malaman ng lahat. Ang akin pong pangarap ay muling manumbalik ang pamamahayag na walang kinatatakutan. Yan. Walang preno, malapit na ulit, pero papunta na tayo doon. Marami pong salamat sa Eddies. Magandang gabi po.
Congratulations again to all of this year's special awards recipients. Let's give them another round of applause. Presenting the Eddie's Choice for Best Supporting Actor and Best Supporting Actress, please welcome Elijah Canlas and Miss Nikki Valdez.
Good evening, everybody. Speaking of great actors, I have one here with me tonight who won Best Actor at the Eddies last year. Please give Elijah Canlas a round of applause. Yan. Elijah, would you like to say a few words?
First of all, gusto ko mag-sorry sa Eddies na hindi po ako nakapunta last year dahil nga may trabaho. But thank you so much for recognizing my work in Blue Room. Siyempre gusto ko pasalamatan yung director ko for that, si Direk Maan Asuncion. And lahat na nakatrabaho ko sa buong Blue Room team. And of course, kung napanood niyo po yung Blue Room, sana patuloy natin protektahan lahat ng mga alagad ng sining natin. Yun lang. Thank you po, Eddies.
Congratulations again, Elijah. And now, we continue to this year's Eddies. Kung tayo ay mga bida sa ating istorya, mahalaga sa atin ang mga taong sumusuporta. Sila ang ating mga kaibigan, kasintahan, mega partner o sidekick, at sige na nga, kung minsan, kasama na rin ang mga kontrabida.
Sa tunay na buhay man o sa pelikula, mahalaga ang supporting roles para maging mas makubuluhan ang ating mga kwento. Ang kontribusyon nila sa paghubog ng karakter ng bida ay may natatanging galing at husay na ating bibigyang kilala ngayong gabi.
And here are the nominees for Best Supporting Actor.
Enchong D. Gomburza.
Sandali, hindi niyo ako pinakikinggan! Sandali!
Kimpi De Leon. Here Comes the Groom.
Asawa? Okay ka lang, te? Ang chubby-chubby ko! Winner!
Nanding Joseph. Oras de Peligro.
Para yung himala, yung katarungan, ang magkatotoo.
Roderick Paulate. In His Mother's Eyes.
Iyon ang tamang lugar! Tiniwan mo akong tagapag-alaga ng anak mo!
And JC Santos. Malyari.
Hindi mo kami mapipigilan. Minahal ko bilang kapatid. Ang hinanda ko bilang tagapagligtas.
And the Eddie's choice is...
Enchong D!
Gusto ko po magpasalamat sa the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors kasi po ni-remind nyo sa akin na hindi po haba ng performance sa isang proyekto ang tinitingnan ninyo, but rather how much impact and how much you make your audience feel. So I really appreciate this award, and I'm shaking. Will never forget this night. To our producers, I'd like to thank Jesuits Communication, CMB Films, Media Quest Ventures and Signal, kasi po tumataya kayo sa paggawa ng kalidad na pelikula kahit sa panahon na ito na napakahirap po kumita ng pelikula ngayon. Third, sa lahat po ng nakasama ko na bumubuo po ng Gomburza, thank you very much for allowing me to work with you, for allowing us to show something that will make us proud as Filipino people. And I share this award to all of you. And last, I'd like to dedicate this sa lahat po ng tao na naghahantay ng hustisya sa bansa natin. Ang kwento po ng Gumburza ay isang representasyon ng mga tao na naghahantay ng hustisya na sana makamit nila. Kaya po, maraming salamat. This night will never be forgotten. Thank you very much, Eddies.
Congratulations again to our Best Supporting Actor, Enchong D. And now, to present the award for the Best Supporting Actress, please welcome the very talented Mr. Mon Confiado and our Joe Quirino Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Miss Corina Sanchez.
Hello, Mon. Hello, congratulations, Ma'am Corina.
Ay, congratulations din sa'yo. Kasi ang pogi-pogi mo ngayong gabi. Parang pumapangalawa lang si Bong Revilla. It is indeed an honor to present the nominees for Best Supporting Actress.
Dali De Leon, Keys to the Heart.
Alam ko na marami akong kailangan bawiin sa'yo. Alam ko yun. Pero sobrang pasasalamat ko na nakita kita ulit.
Alessandra De Rossi, Firefly.
Na mauuna ako doon. Tapos, hanapin mo ako doon. Sa isa ng mga alitap-tap.
Gloria Diaz, Malyari.
Sinvergüenza. Makikilala ka bilang isang mamamatay tao.
Gladys Reyes, Apag.
Mela Paris siya po yung asawa ko. Bisa ko.
And Ruby Ruiz, Langit-ngit.
Kumain ka. Baka maunahan ka ng mga laman lupa. Kulang pa sa sukan.
And the Eddie's choice is Gladys Reyes Apag.
Ito na naman tayo, mataas na naman yung... Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. First nomination ko po, ito sa Eddies. And salamat po at pumasa po sa panlasa ng Speed, members of the press, ang aking pong pagganap sa pelikulang Apag. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre po, kay Direk Brillante Mendoza, it's my first time working with him sa pelikulang ito. Center Stage Productions, Ate Chrisma, lahat po ng kasama namin sa production. Of course, my family. Siyempre po ang aking pong ever faithful and supportive husband, Christopher, Mr. Someru. Of course, ang aking pong anak na narito ngayon, Christoph, my son, who escorted me tonight. Thank you, anak. And of course, Akisha, Grant, Gavin. Pasensya na po, medyo marami akong anak. And of course, my mom, si Mom Z, Mama Zenny, of course, Janice, my sister-in-law, Sis Claire, dahil napaka-supportive po nila sa amin, sa aming pamilya. Mr. Norman Peña Florida, the fashion storyteller for our Modern Filipiniana tonight. And Mama Ray de la Cruz, my ever-trusted friend and who always brings out the best in me. Of course, my manager for almost 3 decades, Nanay Lolit. Nay Lolit, para po sa atin to, Nay. Kuya Gorgie. And lahat po ng aming mga kaibigan po sa press na walang sawa na talaga naman pong sumusuporta sa lahat po na aming mga proyekto. Noon at ngayon, hindi ko po sila nakakalimutan. Ang mga mukha nila, kaya ko silang i-roll call. Kasi nga po, iba po yung talagang pakikisama no, at yung pagkakaibigan na nabuo. Maraming salamat higit po sa lahat sa ating Panginoong Diyos. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po, Eddies.
Once again, congratulations to our winners.
And please stay tuned because after the break, we'll continue celebrating the best in cinema with more awards and more unforgettable moments.
The 7th Eddie's Choice will be right back.
This program was brought to you by Globe Telecom and iFern in partnership with New World Resorts and All TV.
Welcome back to the 7th Eddies here at the Newport World Resorts. They say that the magic of cinema is how it blurs the lines between fantasy and reality.
I agree, Janine. And for this movie magic to happen, it takes great talent and mastery of the technical aspects of filmmaking. To present the awards of our next categories, please welcome to the Eddies, versatile actor, entrepreneur, filmmaker, Mr. R.S. Francisco, and actor, singer, producer, James Reed.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, RS.
Good evening, James. Good evening, everyone.
This set of awards recognizes the songwriters and performers who create music for the big screen.
Yes, and with their musical genius, these songs become anthems that resonate with the audience, moving their emotions with every word in the lyrics and every beat of their music.
We present to you the nominees for Best Original Theme Song.
Finger Lickin', Becky and Badette.
Finger licking, finger licking, finger licking.
Pag-ibig na sumpa, Malyari. Patawad Inay, in his mother's eyes.
Ngunit hindi ka napagod sa akin kay sakit mong tinanggal.
Sa duyan ng bayan, Gomburza.
Sa duyan ng bayan. Papaano?
And sa yakap mo, Family of Two.
Pakasarap magluto. Love you, Ma!
I love you, Manny! Pasensya na minsan.
And the Eddie's choice is
Sa duyan ng bayan, Gomburza. Performed by Noel Cabangon, Evie Denzel, and Glock 9. Music and lyrics by Krina, Kayabyab, and Glock 9.
Maraming salamat, Eddies, for this recognition at sa mga bumubuo ng musika ng pelikulang Gomburza. Congratulations. Nagpapasalamat ang buong team ng Gomburza from Jescom, MQuest Ventures, and CMB Films. Maraming salamat again.
And the nominees for Best Musical Score are
Teresa Barroso, Becky and Badette. Teresa Barroso, Gomburza.
Ang mga salita ay magiging mga kwento.
Teresa Barroso, Iti Mapukpukaw.
Darasong babae.
Von de Guzman, Malyari.
Mahal ka ng nanay mo.
And Vincent de Jesus, Third World Romance.
Maging masaya.
Nung sinabi ko sa'yo na sasaluhin.
And the Eddies for Best Musical Score goes to
Von de Guzman, Malyari.
Andy, pagpaumayin niyo po, wala lang po si Von de Guzman. Pero Von, maraming salamat sa mga gabing puyat na puyat ka para sa pelikulang Malyari. And sa daming Pilipinong tinakot mo at dinala mo sa istorya ni Juan Severino Malyari sa mga pelikula. Congratulations again, Von. Maraming salamat si Eddies. Thank you.
Congratulations to our Best Original Theme Song and Best Musical Score winners.
And now, to present the awards for Best Sound and Best Visual Effects, please welcome Filipino-Canadian actor and singer Michael Sager and beauty queen and actress Kelly Day.
Good evening, everyone.
It's an honor to be here tonight. This category celebrates the professionals who craft the film's auditory experience, ensuring every whisper, every roar, and note is perfectly balanced, drawing us into the world of the film.
Here are the nominees for Best Sound.
Lamberto Casas Jr., Alexis Tombok, Iti Mapokpukaw.
Maligo ka na. Pag nanigas yan. Wenang. Agdigos ka na. Nuhaan.
Melvin Q. Rivera, Louis Boy Bauson, Gomburza. Emmanuel Verona, Nerika Salim, When I Met You in Tokyo.
Nature, man, and soul. And it is also associated.
Mian Sparks, Rewind.
Papano ako!
And Emmanuel Verona, Nerika Salim, Malyari.
And the Eddie's choice is... Emmanuel Verona and Nerika Salim of Malyari.
Kanina pa po ako nanginginig talaga, hindi ko pa rin po mawala yung kaba. Ganun po talaga pag first timer po talaga siguro. To Eman and of course Nerika, maraming salamat sa dedikasyon dito sa pelikula. Alam namin kung gaano kahirap nyo ginawa ito. Maraming salamat and congratulations. And muli, maraming salamat po sa Speed.
And now for our next award, honors of people who bring imagination to life by creating stunning, believable worlds and mind-blowing spectacles through visual effects.
The nominees for Best Visual Effects are
Shake, Rattle, and Roll Extreme. Malyari.
Sir, wag! Senyorito, wag!
Kampon. Iti Mapokpukaw. And Firefly.
And the Eddie's choice is...
Ryan Grimares, Maki Rayanon, and Taong Lipod Creative Studio, Shake, Rattle, and Roll Extreme.
We would like to accept the award on behalf of Shake, Rattle, and Roll Extreme.
Yes. Congratulations for winning Best Visual Effects.
Congratulations to this year's Best Sound and Best Visual Effects winners of the 7th Eddie's Choice.
Stay tuned to the Eddies as we continue to call the best and brightest in Philippine entertainment on stage. Up next, the Icons Awards and a special performance from Rampa Reynas right here on the 7th Entertainment Editor's Choice.
This program was brought to you by Globe Telecom and iFern in partnership with New World Resorts and All TV.
Deserve naman talaga ng mga icons natin in any industry to be flattered and appreciated for how they enriched our lives with their work.
Tama. Kaya naman, to show our admiration for the icons of the entertainment industry, please welcome our presenter for the Icon Awards, the Honorable Lani Mercado.
Good evening. The Eddie's Icon Awards are presented to legendary individuals who exemplified excellence in every aspect of their work. With a career spanning decades, they have given us some of the most iconic moments in Philippine entertainment. It's an honor to present the 7th Eddie's Icon Awards to this year's panel of prolific artists. With Speed member Mr. June Lalin from Abante and Natalie Tomada from Philippine Star, let's meet our first Eddie's Icon awardee.
Kung buhay lang yung ina, matutuwa yun. Meron siyang anak na may pagmamahal.
Narinig kong pag-uusap ng mga kanayon. Papunta na sila rito. Susunugin daw nila tayo.
Our Eddie's Icon awardee is Miss Eva Darren.
Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, sa ating lahat. Talagang nakakakaba. Wala akong masasabi kundi magpasalamat sa bumubuo ng Speed, ng Eddies, at ibinabahagi ko rin po sa lahat ng mga veteranong kagaya ko, ay hindi sa gera, kundi sa teleserye, sa pelikula. Ibinabahagi ko rin sa kanilang lahat ang napakagandang karangalan na ito na pinagkaloob niyo po sa akin. Marami pong salamat. Pahabol din ito sa birthday ko dahil nag-birthday ako nung June 28. Wow, happy birthday! Salamat po. 78 ako nung araw na yon. Huwag niyo kaming kalimutan. Salamat po at magandang gabi.
Congratulations, our Icon awardee, Miss Eva Darren. Joining me are Speed members, Miss Tessa Mauricio from the Manila Times and Don Sermino from Abante to present our next 7th Eddie's Icon Award.
Pangako lang ito, pero pag pumasok sila dito, mapipilitan akong gamitin to.
Anong problema, Konji? We should be celebrating. Kilala ko ang mga tauhan ko. Halang ang mga kaluluwa noon.
Let's welcome Mr. Leo Martinez.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Yung mga entertainment editors, nabigyan nyo kami ng pagkakataong magkita-kita uli nitong mga kasamahan kong kapwa senior citizen. Kanya nung ako'y tinanong kung ano daw ang secret kung magiging icon, sabi ko, dapat ibuhay ka para matanggap mo yung lintik na icon na iyan. Ay siya, maraming salamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa Eddie.
Let's give another hand, a big hand for Direk Leo Martinez. Joining me is Speed member Mr. Ron Romulo from People's Balita and Miss Ana Pingol from Pika Pika. Our next 7th Eddie's Icon awardee is
nyo sa akin, walang batas na pwedeng ikaso sa babaeng yun? Nasaan ang hustisya? Nasaan ang batas para protektahan kaming mahihirap? Nasaan? Meron ba? Meron ba?
Gusto mong ipamukha sa akin na hindi ako karapat-dapat na magkaroon ng kasama sa buhay. Devotion. Yun lang ang gusto ko. Someone who will be devoted to me.
Our icon awardee, Miss Gina Alahar.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa The Eddies, the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors. Ask kanina by Mr. Fu kung ano ang pakiramdam to receive an Icon Award. Ang sabi ko, ibang pakiramdam kasi iba yung pakiramdam ng nakikipag-compete ka sa kapwa mo artista para sa isang trophy. At iba rin ang pakiramdam kapag ikaw ay kasama ng mga mas senior sa akin, katulad nila Tita Nova, ni Tita Eva, ni Kumpareng Leo, at saka ni Senator Lito Lapid. Iba ang pakiramdam dahil ino-honor yung achievements namin at ang contributions namin para sa movie industry. Maraming salamat for honoring us tonight.
Congratulations, Direct Gina Alahar. Joining me are SPEED members, Ms. Maricris Valdez from Hataw and Mr. Irvin Santiago from Bandera. Our next Eddies Icon awardee is...
Kaya okay na sa akin. Okay na sa akin.
Opo, Padre. Ikaw naman, Kevin, tinatanggap mo ba?
Ay, tanggap na ako. Opo. Ganito ang gagawin ko kay Kevin pag nakita ko si Kevin. Talagang pipisahin ko siya, talagang bubugbugin ko siya.
Our Icon awardee is Miss Nova Villa.
"70 years sa show business. I'm 78 years old. At salamat matatapos na rin ang chismis na may anak ako kay Fernando Po Jr. Diba? Tagal na yan eh. Tagal ng chismis yan. At ngayon ko na lang binubulgar. Tinago ko. Hindi ho totoo yun. Well, anyway, thank you so much. Ang sarap naman tumanggap ng award talaga. At masasabi ko, praise the Lord. Sapagkat kung ano man po ang ating nararating sa ating buhay, ay lahat ito ay regalo ng ating Panginoon. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Congratulations, Tita Nova Villa. Presenting the award with me is SPEED member Miss Janice Navida of Bulgar and Neil Ramos from Tempo. And now the final Eddies Icon Award goes to... Our Icon awardee, Senator Lito Lapid. Attorney John D.X. Lapid is here with us tonight to accept the award on behalf of Senator Lito Lapid.
Good evening po. Supremo Senator Lito Lapid is deeply grateful for the recognition of his contributions to the Philippine film industry. Pinapaabot din niya ang pagbati sa mga kapwa-artista na nakatanggap din ng karangalan mula sa SPEED. This recognition is a great honor for Senator Lapid, and it only proves that his dedication and love for the arts and country are truly invaluable. Taus-pusong pasasalamat po mula kay Supremo Senador Lito Lapid.
Congratulations once again to all our Icon awardees. Sobrang inspired po talaga kami sa inyong success and we are so grateful for your immeasurable legacy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong kontribusyon sa pelikulang Pilipino. Talagang hinahangaan po namin kayo at congratulations.
Congratulations once again. The excitement builds up as we announce the next set of awards here at the Eddies. More milestones to come your way when we have return here at the 7th Eddies.
This program was brought to you by Globe Telecom and iFern in partnership with New World Resorts and All TV.
Seventh Entertainment Editor's Choice. While the faces on the screen captivate us, there's also the incredible talent behind the scenes that truly brings these stories to life.
To present the awards to these filmmaking masters, here are today's rising stars, Beaver Magtalas, Kai Flores, and Shira Tweg.
Good evening, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, the nominees for Best Editing are
Lawrence S. Ang, About Us, but not about us.
Okay lang. Na nag-overdose daw siya.
Benjamin Tolentino, A Very Good Girl.
You can call me Mother.
Benjamin Tolentino, Gomburza. Benjamin Tolentino, Iti Mapukpukaw. And Noel Tonga, Nelson Villamor, Malyari.
Nung bata ka pa, naalala mo nagkita na tayo. Sabay tayong nag-astral project.
And the Eddie's choice is Lawrence S. Ang.
Sa ngalan ni Lawrence Ang na nasa Bohol ngayon, maraming salamat. Thank you, Speed. Thank you, Eddies.
The nominees for Best Cinematography are
Neil Daza, Firefly. Cara Moreno, Kampon. Juan Lorenzo Pau Orendain, Malyari. Shane Sarte, When I Met You, in Tokyo.
Love is so overrated. It's a huge lie. Isang napakalaking kalokohan yan.
And Noel Tihanki, A Very Good Girl.
Killing it! Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa ko to deserve you.
And the Eddie's choice is Juan Lorenzo Pau Orendain, Malyari.
Pau, hindi mo laging kailangan isukong lahat. Naniniwala kami. Ayan, maraming salamat po. For sure, ayan, masayang-masaya po si Pau ngayon. Ayan, namimiss ka na rin namin kainuman, Pau. We hope to work with you soon. Ayan, again, maraming salamat po sa Speed and congratulations kay Pau Orendain. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to our winners of Best Cinematography and Best Editing.
And now to present the next set of awards, let's welcome to the Eddies, Jarek Gonzalez and Miss Universe New Zealand, Frankie Russell.
Evening.
Here are the nominees for the Best Production Design.
Ferdy Abuel, 5 breakups and a romance.
Oo, parang di ka na babalik ng Pilipinas, ha? Bilib na bilib ka, eh. Gusto mo, hindi mo na ako lilipad bukas. Dito lang ako.
Mariel Hizon, Malyari.
Ikaw ang demonyo namin.
Erickson Navarro, Gomburza.
Magluluksa. El padre Mosqueda de los Recoletos. Su excelencia.
Fedeo Tagayon, Reynaldo Peru, When I Met You in Tokyo.
Damo na yung gamot. Ito ng tubig.
And Kenneth Kelvin Villanueva, Firefly.
And the Eddies' choice is Mariel Hizon, Malyari.
Ayan, hanggang ngayon po kinakabahan pa rin po ako. Masasanay din po ako siguro. Mariel, maraming salamat sa 50 plus na katao sa departamento mo. Alam ko, nagkakasakit ka during sa set dahil pinilit natin ang lahat ng imposible. Pero ito ngayon, congratulations. Ayan. And maraming pong salamat muli sa Speed.
As we continue to the Eddies' choice for Best Screenplay, we give honor to the writers whose storytelling captivated our hearts and stimulated our minds.
It's an honor to present tonight for the nominees for Best Screenplay.
Angeli Atienza, Firefly.
Natagpuan ka lang namin sa kalsada at tinutulungan na makapunta sa isla ng Alitaptap. Tuntun.
June Robles Lana, About Us, but not about us.
Did you see it coming when he murdered the student and decapitated him?
Carl Joseph E. Papa, Iti Mapukpukaw.
Di mampabiyag dito'y planeta.
Kasano?
Umay ka.
Rodolfo Vera, Pepe Jokno, Gomburza.
Erehe! Pedro. Ang susunod na Hermano Pule.
And Enrico Santos, Malyari.
Mga susunod din ang biktima.
For Best Screenplay, June Robles Lana, About Us but Not About Us.
Sa ngalan po ni June Robles Lana, maraming salamat muli sa Speed at saka sa Eddies. Si Direk June po dapat pupunta dito. Actually, kasama ko po siya. Paunanhin daw po. Pero maraming salamat daw po para dito. Thank you.
Congratulations again to our winners for editing, cinematography, production design, and screenplay.
Up next, a heartwarming performance from the songwriter himself, Mr. Augie Alcacid. Don't go away, the Eddies will be right back.
We would like to thank the following sponsors: Newport World Resorts, All TV, Globe, iFern, Beauty Derm, Unilab, Kim's Diary Million Glow. Special thanks to Senator Bong Revilla Jr., Senator Cheese Escudero, Senator Nancy Binay, Senator Lito Lapid, DILG Secretary Ben-Hur Abalos, Mayor Albi Benitez, Representative Camille Villar, Representative Arjo Atayde, former Governor Luis Chavit Singson, Emilet Gorospe, and Rowena Gutierrez. Cap Corpus Atelier, Camiseta, Echo Jam Entertainment Production, Front Row, Katunyings, Casa Juan, Chan Robles and Company, Federation of Filipino Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry Incorporated, Bethlehem House of Bread, Pili Ani, crafted for beauty. This program was brought to you by Globe Telecom and iFern in partnership with New World Resorts and All TV.
You are still watching the 7th Eddies. Tonight, we have the honor of presenting a posthumous award to a director whose influence and vision have left an everlasting legacy in the world of Philippine cinema.
This director's work was marked by an extraordinary ability to tell stories that not only entertained, but also moved and inspired generations of Filipinos.
Presenting the Eddies Posthumous Award is known in the entertainment world as a Titanic action star. He's an actor, a host, a writer, producer, director, and a public servant. Let's all welcome Senator Bong Revilla Jr.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Iginagagalak ko na ibahagi ang pagkilalang ito sa isang henyo nang nagbigay ng kulay sa pelikulang Pilipino. Hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin matatawaran ang kanyang malawak na imahinasyon na bumuo sa mga karakter na tumatak sa mga manonood. Isa siya sa mga humubog sa akin, ang aking mentor na nagsimula ng aking karera at ng marami pang mga profesional sa harap at likod ng kamera. Panoorin po natin ito.
Ang Panday, Bakekang, Gagambino, Joaquin Bordado, Elias Paniqui. These are just some of the iconic characters brought to life by the legendary comics king, a veteran writer and director. He's the man behind classic Filipino films that had great impact in the Philippine movie industry, such as The Visconde Massacre, Pieta, and many more. To everyone in the entertainment industry, he is a legend, a master, a visionary storyteller. But to the people closest to his heart, he's a friend, a father who will forever be loved and cherished.
Halos umaga na sa libliban ng ugong. Isang makinilya, pilitang binabasag ang katahimikan roon. Isang mananalaysay ng kwento ng buhay, nilalabanan ng antok, nagsusunog ng kilay. Subalit buhay ay sadyang may wakas. Pakap na, Direk! Oras na ng uwian. Hayaang kasaysayan ang humusga sa iyong mga obra. Salamat, Direk Carlo J., sa mga dibuho at istorya. Mga istoryang nabuo sa bawat tipa ng iyong makinilya.
His life and career had created a lasting legacy that the Philippine movie industry will forever honor, as his life's work will forever continue to inspire millions of Filipinos.
As I'm joined by SPEED President, Ms. Salve Asis, we present the Eddies Posthumous Award to Direk Carlo J. Caparas. Accepting the award are representatives of the Caparas family, CJ and Peach Caparas. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Laking pasasalamat po mula sa aming pamilya para po sa lahat ng mga bumubuo ng Speed at Eddies. At saka acknowledge ko na rin po ang mga kasama natin dito sa industriya. Congratulations po sa mga nagwagi, at saka sa mga no-nominate. Senator Bong, Congresswoman Lani, thank you po for being here, for that also. Ang karangalan pong ito ay isang feather on the trademark cap that he could never leave home without. And to our dad, your legacy is intact and in very capable hands. Kaya I'm sure he's beaming, watching us from above, knowing na lahat po tayo ay magpapatuloy ng kanyang legasiya for the culture and the arts. Maraming salamat po.
Gusto ko lang po magbigay-pugay po sa mga producers, production houses, studios na naglalakas loob to take a chance on unlikely stories, unconventional projects. Dahil po sa inyo, may nabuong Carlo J. Caparas at Donna Villa. Ang alamat nila ay buhay na buhay dahil sa inyo. Congratulations din po sa inyo, Sir Bry. Isa ka po sa mga taong nagpo-prove na let's innovate and let's change the landscape of cinema. Thank you so much. And Dad, congratulations! Legends never die!
This program was brought to you by Globe Telecom and iFern in partnership with New World Resorts and All TV.
And the 7th Eddie's Choice continues. Just a few years back when we were all observing quarantine restrictions, pero ngayon, we can definitely say na nagbalik na ang sigla ng Philippine cinema.
Tama, magkasama pa tayo sa lock-in 2 years ago. Totoo talaga yan. Dati, di ba, kasi nasa loob lang tayo ng bahay, nagbe-binge watch ng mga series at mga pelikula. Pero ngayon, may mga bago ng pelikula na talagang pumatok sa takilya. Bumalik na rin ang mga Pinoy sa lahat ng sinehan.
This year, we celebrate these new box office heroes who played a crucial role in reviving cinema attendance significantly, helping our film industry bounce back.
To present the Eddie's Box Office Heroes Awards, we have the Chairman and CEO of the Film Development Council of the Philippines, Direk Joey Reyes.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Together with Eugene Asis, it's an honor to present the first Box Office Hero Award to one of the biggest Filipino movies of 2023. This movie about a vengeful virtual assistant premiered on September last year. It was directed by Peterson Vargas and produced by Star Cinema. Together with Miss Dolly De Leon, our box office hero is Catherine Bernardo in A Very Good Girl. On behalf of Catherine Bernardo, Tess Gubi will accept the award.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Tess po from Star Magic on behalf of Miss Catherine Bernardo, who's now working for an endorsement shoot. Marami pong salamat sa bumubuo ng Speed, sa ating mga kaibigan na laging sumusuporta sa mga proyekto ng aming mga artista. Congratulations po sa successful event ngayong gabi. Salamat po.
Congratulations. Now, to award the next box office heroes, we have with us ang nag-iisang Jerry Olea. Ang pelikulang Five Breakups and a Romance ay kwento ng isang medical student at isang fashion designer na dumaraan sa mga pagsubok na ipaglaban na ang kanilang relasyon. It was written and directed by Irene Villamor and produced by Cornerstone Studios in partnership with GMA Films and Entertainment Corporation. Let's all welcome our new box office heroes, the stars of 5 Breakups and a Romance, Alden Richards and Julia Montes.
Alam niyo po, grabe po yung kaba ko. Kung alam niyo lang. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Of course, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Speed, ng Eddies. Siyempre, ang aming director, Direk Irene, written and directed by Direk Irene po ang 5 Breakups and a Romance. And quick kwento lang po, wala po ako dito sa harapan ninyo. Ito po yata yung unang award na natanggap ko sa movie. Kaya napaka-memorable po nitong gabing to sa akin. Hindi ko po itong magagawa kung di wala rin po si Kuya Mac, ang aking kaibigan na nagkumbinse na kaya kong gawin itong role na ito. Sa Cornerstone, sa Myriad, sa GMA Films, Cornerstone family na pumush sa akin na gawin itong role na ito. Maraming salamat at sa lahat po ng bumubuo. Sobrang saglit lang po, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan itong mga taong ito. Ang bumubuo po ng aming team. Supervising producer po namin, Miss Alma Medua, line producer Ava Yap, DOP Tay Clamor, PD Ferdy Abuel, editor namin si Nards Torres, music by Len Calvo. Maraming salamat po, Sir Deo. Yung pangako ko po sa inyo, pasensya na medyo nahuli, pero para po to sa inyo. At syempre, sa pinakamamahal ko pong pamilya, wala po ako dito kundi dahil sa inyo, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Lagi niyo po yung tatandaan. Good evening po ulit.
Congratulations, Julia. We are now joined by Ms. Tessa Mauricio to present the next award. The hauntingly brilliant film, Malyari, was an official entry at the 49th Metro Manila Film Festival. It was directed by Derek Cabrido and produced by Mentor Production with the partnership of Warner Brothers. Oh, diba? Let's all welcome the headliner of Malyari, our new box office hero, Papa P himself, Piolo Pascual.
Thank you, Tessa. Good evening, everyone. Thank you to Eddies. And I'll never get used to this, so I'm really sorry. But I'd like to thank my producers, Mentor Productions, for coming up with this film. Brian, Sir Enrico Santos, our scriptwriter, and Derek Cabrido, Ate Rona, and lahat ng cast natin. Ron Angeles. Tsaka yung bumubuo po ng Mentor because napakaganda nung environment na meron kami when we were shooting last year. And this is enough testament for us to continue what we're doing. So, to God be the glory, of course. And thank you again, Eddies, for this recognition. Sana po patuloy lang tayong gumawa ng pelikula para mabuhay palagi ang pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
For our final Box Office Heroes Awards, with us are Dondon Sermino and Miss Salve Asis. Oh God, this movie was the beacon of hope for Philippine cinema last December. This film, Rewind, was an official entry at the 49th Metro Manila Film Festival and easily became the festival's top grosser. Sa direksyon ni May Cruz Alviar sa produksyon ng Star Cinema, pumukaw sa mga puso ng napakarami ang kwento nito with its compelling storytelling helped this film earn, wala lang naman, 1 billion pesos in the box office, in the global box office, breaking the record of the highest grossing Filipino film of all time. It's our great honor to present the Eddie's Box Office Heroes Awards to the lead stars of Rewind. Please welcome our box office heroes, Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Sa bumubuo po ng Eddies, magandang gabi. Sa mga kasamahan po namin sa industriya, magandang gabi po. Sa tingin ko po, yung pelikulang Rewind ay habang buhay ng nakaukit sa puso ko at sa puso namin mag-asawa. Hindi lang po dahil sa napakagandang kwento ni Enrico Santos, kung hindi pati na rin dahil sa naging experience po namin sa buong pelikula, mula sa story conference, mula sa shooting, sa promotion, lahat. And I think higit sa lahat dahil din po lahat ng to'y nangyari kasama ko ang aking mahal sa buhay, ang aking misis. Kaya very memorable po. Kaya maraming salamat po sa pagkilala at sa alaalang ibibigay nyo to sa amin dahil forever po namin talaga itong tuwing nakikita namin, maaalala ho namin yung pelikulang ito. Pero sa tingin ko gusto ko rin pong i-share ito sa mga tao na bumuo ng pelikula. The men and women behind the film Rewind, our co-creators, Star Cinema, APT Pictures, Agosto Dos Pictures, sa aming direktor na si May Cruz, sa amin si Joros, who's here also with us right now. Lahat po ng bumubuo, maraming salamat. At syempre, sa mga nanood, sa mga tumangkilik, sa mga bumili ng ticket, yung mga nakiiyak sa amin, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sana po patuloy niyo pong tangkilikin at suportahan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Nasabi mo na lahat. Siguro lang po, walang sawa at siguro hanggang nabubuhay kami mag-asawa, lahat ng ito ay inaalay namin kay Lods. Hindi magiging posible ito kundi dahil sa kanya. Kaya Lods, para sa ito.
This program was brought to you by Globe Telecom and iFern in partnership with New World Resorts and All TV.
Good evening, everyone. You are still with us at the 7th Eddies. At ito na, welcome to the pinnacle of our celebration tonight, the presentation of this evening's major awards.
Tonight, we will recognize the finest performances, the most visionary directors, and the films that have left an indelible mark on audiences around the world.
And the honor to present these awards is given to two generations of showbiz excellence. This may be even the first time we see them working together.
Yes.
So please welcome the multi-talented, multi-awarded actress and the 7th Eddie's Choice Best Supporting Actress, the one and only Miss Gladys Reyes, together with rising talent, her son, Christoph Someru.
Magandang gabi po ulit sa inyong lahat. Isang karangalan para sa akin ang paggawad ng isa sa mga pinaka-prestiyosong pagkilala ngayong gabi. Ang award po para sa Best Director.
Ang kategoryang ito ay nagpupugay sa nagsisilbing ulo ng produksyon, ang kumukumpas sa lahat ng aspeto ng pelikula hanggang sa sinehan. Ang mga nominado para sa Best Director ay sina
Derek Cabrido, Malyari, Pepe Jokno, Gomburza, Zig Dulay, Firefly, June Robles Lana, About Us, But Not About Us. And Carl Joseph Papa, Iti Mapukpukaw.
And the Eddie's choice is June Robles Lana, About Us But Not About Us.
Maraming salamat po on behalf of Direct June, Speed at sa Eddies. Maraming salamat. Hindi ko kayang i-express kung gaano kalaking bagay ito para kay Direct June. Para kay Direct June, congratulations.
And now to present the Eddie's Choice for Best Actor and Best Actress. Please welcome actor, multi-talented actress Max Eigenmann and versatile actor Joros Gamboa.
Good evening. We have come to the most sought-after award for male performers whose acting abilities strengthen their character's journey. And the nominees for Best Actor are
Elijah Canlas, Keys to the Heart. Dingdong Dantes, Rewind.
Sabi mo lang, dyan, wala na!
Sorry. Cedric Juan, Gomburza.
Binisente kami lahat! Bakit kami kailangan mamatay na ganito?
Piolo Pascual, Malyari.
Ikaw ang tagapagligtas. Magiging halimo ka tulad ko.
Pero ginawa mo, di ba? Mabuhay siya nga sa impyerno dahil sa'yo!
Alden Richards, 5 Breakups and a Romance.
Masakit sa akin na hindi ako yung taong pinangako ko sa'yo.
And Romnick Sarmenta, About Us, But Not About Us.
Anyone who knows us will instantly recognize the characters are us. Delete the account now. Who the hell are you?
And the Aries choice is Piolo Pascual.
Piolo Pascual.
Malyari.
Sorry, nanginginig pa rin po ako. I had to write a speech. Actually, this was for the Box Office Hero Award a while ago. But I wasn't really expecting to win, so just forgive me for shaking. I'd like to... gusto ko munang batiin lahat ng mga nominado dito. Jello said, Mr. Romnick Sarmenta, he's my best actor. And also si Dong tsaka si Alden, I share this award with you guys. Okay. Can I just read this? Thank you to our dearly beloved editors for this award. I hold this close to my heart because it comes from friends from the industry. Thank you so much as we celebrate Philippine cinema. I'm reminded of the task. Dapat ba lang susulat na lang ako? Mas kaya ko sabihin pag... I'm reminded of the task that we have at hand, which is to not just celebrate, but to carry on and make sure that we're leaving a good trail for people to appreciate and hopefully be inspired by what we do. I'm humbled by this and I'm sincerely grateful for the honor. Thanks to our dear Lord for always making sure that I'm properly guided by like-minded people. And to my family, my mom, who's my greatest fan and supporter and my strength, my son, who inspires me to always give it my best in everything that I do, my siblings, my managers, Tita Lulu, Erickson Raimundo from Cornerstone, and si Giselle po, ang aking better half sa lahat na aking ginagawa. Kung wala si Giselle, hindi ko magagawa yung mga trabaho ko. And I share this with you guys because I'm just half the effort. So thank you so much. You guys complete me. My EBS family, my Dreamscape family, my Pamilya Sagrado family, Mr. M and Tito Mariol, my parents, who really raised me in this business. My Malyari family, Brian, bonus naman dyan. Congratulations sa atin. I hope this is just the beginning of something big na pwede pang gawin ng Mentor. Maraming salamat. Ron Angeles. And of course, si Direk Derek, Sir Enrico, Pao, Omar, Chris, yung bumubuo ng production, all of us, my co-actors, maraming salamat sa inyo. Magaling Ate Rona, okay? Baka makalimutan ko eh. Salamat din po sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga ninyo sa akin. My acting coach, my job was made easier because I had an acting coach on the set, Tita Angie Castrense. I offer this award to you. Hindi magiging maayos yung trabaho kung wala si Tita Angie. Ay, salamat. Okay, my fans, you guys are the reason why I do what I do para po sa pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you.
Congratulations again, Piolo. The portrayal of strong, independent women on screen is a vital task that the lead actress carries tonight. We honor her grace, her talent, her prowess with the Best Actress Award.
And the nominees for Best Actress are
Catherine Bernardo, A Very Good Girl.
Lalamunin nila ako ng buhay. Bakit ang hirap-hirap maging mabuting tao?
Charlie Dizon, Third World Romance.
Sa Win Grocery, ikaw ang panalo!
Lobat, ang taas ko ni. Ano, ulitin ko ba?
Julia Montes, 5 Breakups and a Romance.
Mga babaero. I mean, don't get me wrong, ah. But still, I like men.
Nasa na yun?
Marian Rivera, Rewind.
Alam kong importante ang araw na to sa'yo. Huwag mo nga kaming dami sa init ang ulo mo. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na gusto ko uli mabuhay.
Vilma Santos, When I Met You in Tokyo.
Eh bakit sinabi ko ba sa'yo ipa-check mo ako sa hospital? I'm sorry, bro.
And Maricel Soriano, In His Mother's Eyes.
Hindi niyo ako pinatuloy sa mga puso niyo.
And the Eddie's choice is
We have two.
It's a tie.
It's a tie.
Charlene Dizon
And Julia Montes.
On behalf of Miss Charlie Dizon, marami pong salamat sa Speed at sa Eddies for this recognition.
Wala po ako masabi kundi maraming salamat. Kung alam niyo lang po, ako bilang nagtatrabaho po sa ating industriya, manominado pa lang po eh. Napaka-sarap na po sa pakiramdam, pero ito pong binigay niyo pong parangal ngayon. Sobrang nakaka-inspire pa po na lalo pa pong pagbutihan. Magpapasalamat po ako ulit dahil si Direk Irene ang nagpalabas na kung anong nilabas ko sa movie na ito dahil sobrang duwag ko po na tao. Sobrang dami ko pong takot at hindi naniniwala sa kakayanan ko, kaya siya po nagpalabas niyan. Kay Kuya Mac ulit, na siya talaga nagkumbinse sa akin na gawin talaga to at kayanin ko. Sa lahat-lahat po na naniniwala, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan kung kanino po ako nagsimula. Kay Tita Lulu, kay Tito Jake. Ngayon lang po ako makakapagpasalamat sa inyo. Kay Direk Bobot, sa Going Bulilit, kayo po ang unang nagbigay sa akin ng oportunidad na magkaroon ng mainstay show na hindi na ako papalitan kapag nasa set. Mr. M, ang lagi pong naniniwala rin sa akin at syempre hindi ko pa rin po makakalimutan si Sir Deo sa lahat po ng roles na binibigay niya po sa akin. First adult roles na serious roles na binigay niya po, siya po ang unang naniwala sa akin at syempre po sa aming bosses sa ABS-CBN, CVV, maraming salamat po. At sa mga hindi ko pa po napasalamatan, pasensya na po, pero mula po sa aking puso, maraming salamat. At sa pamilya ko, mahal na mahal ko kayo ulit.
And now to present the award for Best Picture, please welcome our Icon awardee, Ms. Gina Alahar, and the 7th Eddie's Choice Best Actor, Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Congratulations, P.
Thank you po.
You deserve it. You deserve it.
The next award celebrates the seamless collaboration of directors, writers, actors, and countless professionals behind the scenes who come together to create a masterpiece, the Best Picture Award.
And the nominees for Best Picture are
About Us, but not about us.
So I would low-key seduce people with my sexually ambiguous energy like casting a wide net to see who bites back.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Firefly,
No.
Gomburza,
In a way, maging lead siya ang ating pagkamatay. Para sa naman.
Para sa sarili.
Iti Mapokpokaw, and Malyari.
Together with Speed President, Ms. Salve Asis, we present the Eddie's Best Picture Award to About Us, but not about us.
About Us.
Nagsama lang po ako kasi ngayon lang po sila magkasamang muli. Maraming salamat sa Speed. Sabi ko lang kay Romney kanina, magkatabi kami habang piniplay lahat ng nominees. It's been a great year para sa Philippine cinema. At dahil yon sa pinagsama-samang dedikasyon ng mga kapwa naming producer na alam kong hindi mahirap sugalan itong industriyang ito. Pero lumalaban pa rin tayo. At maraming salamat sa mga ilang pelikula na nagpakita rin na bumabalik ang tao. Hindi madali yon. At ngayon, alam naman natin na nandun ulit tayo, pinapabalik na naman natin ang mga tao sa sinehan. At maraming salamat muli sa pagsuporta nyo sa industriya. Maraming salamat sa Quantum, sa October Chain Films, sa pagbuo nitong About Us, But Not About Us, sa napakahusay naming cast of 2. At sa lahat ng buo-buo ng team. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Congratulations to all of
A big thanks to Speed, the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors, for making this annual event possible.
And finally, to our audience at home and right here, thank you so much for being a part of this memorable evening. Our industry is truly vibrant and thriving because of your love and support for Philippine cinema. This has been your host, Janine Gutierrez.
And I am Gabby Garcia.
And I am Jake Ejercito.
Signing out from the 7th Entertainment Editors' Choice Awards.